Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Additional Chief Secretary jong Sarkar Jilla u PW Ingti hakashpau tarik kelalangkot arjar khat khandai ula play lumpung ba jong CNE Subcommittee Meghalaya Nursing Council kapala long hagani kasngi Hanegrams Hospital Mauding Diang New Shillong hakapa kaphang yatai jong ni lumpung kalong continuing nursing education hagani kajing elang lai don lang ru Director of Health Services MI u Dr. TS Nongklau upalalong usumbot kongsan Uba PW Ingti habakran kum kongsan ulaong ba ka kam syakri kum kiners kadai ka kam ka don buram tam na padang gija jingtrai bar kadai ru ka tolong ai kam kham tam e ya ki kinthei la kalong haki hospital bala penyai da sarkar ni da ki riu shimet.
We feel very warm to see so many bright, happy and warm people from the Nursing Council of Meghalaya. It is my feeling that the nursing profession is one of the most gentle and compassionate of professions, which can give a sense of fulfillment to the person practicing this profession. The nursing profession is also a source of employment for many people, particularly women. Of course, the working conditions in the different sectors, the government sector and the private sector, may not be exactly the same, but there is a feeling that there should be parity in both the sectors, government as well as private, and therefore an effort is going on, an exercise is going on to develop guidelines by which both government as well as private sectors will be guided so that there will be parity of working conditions, emoluments, etc. as far as possible in both the sectors. Our essential health services cannot be complete without a strong and well-trained nursing workforce. And in the field of medicine and healthcare, this field is constantly evolving and improving through advancements in technology and knowledge, and continuing nursing education gives nurses fresh information about the quality of care and also gives them opportunity to improve practice skills and knowledge. The standard of nursing today is not the same as what it was 20 years ago. And that is the reason why it is very important for nurses to make an effort to stay informed about the impending changes in the nursing practice, as already pointed out by our DHS MI. I would like to congratulate the Meghalaya Nursing Council and particularly the Subcommittee on Continuing Nursing Education for organizing the state conference. We hope that it will benefit all the participants and I wish the conference all success. Thank you.